Karnataka at this point has identified literally 14 medicines and cosmetics that have been declared as substandard and banned from sale. The Food Safety and Drug Administration Department has issued urgent orders to chemists, wholesalers, hospitals and doctors to immediately pull down these products off their shelves, stop prescribing them to people. Among these banned drugs, a few of them I could read out, many of them are on the list. In fact, all 14 have been listed out on our screens here. You could read them, but some of them include Compound Sodium Lactate injection. This is basically IV fluid manufactured by Ultra Laboratories and Tambran Pharmaceuticals. Also, Pomol 650, a widely used paracetamol brand from Aban Pharmaceuticals. Also on the banned list is Mito, MITO Q7 syrup, which is a nutritional supplement for children from Bion Therapeutics India. These are just three of the names among the 15 or 14 that's listed out as banned drugs. In total, these different companies' drugs have been marked as not of standard quality by Karnataka's drug testing laboratory, which means that they failed basic safety and efficacy checks. The state has now ordered strict compliance to ensure that these unsafe drugs are completely withdrawn from the market. And while this is, in fact, a strong warning, it's certainly a necessary move. It raises, of course, many questions. How did these drugs, even in the first place, make its way into these medical shops and hospitals without proper quality checks? Who's accountable for such substandard drugs being available in pharmacy shelves so easily? This crackdown by Karnataka is, of course, a step in the right direction, but this isn't just a state issue. Substandard drugs are a national concern. What's needed now is a pan-India sweep to ensure that every drug sold in this country meets those safety standards and guidelines.
Coming to your question, that what it can do. If let's take an example of when we talk of sodium lactate or sodium chloride, or take for that matter anything which you have talked about, basically they will lead to not only morbidity but increased mortality. That is one thing which is very, very important. But important part also over here is that exactly how do these medicines enter the market? Each medicine undergoes, basically, apart from animal studies, they undergo, 3 phases of clinical trials, and the 4th phase is when they enter the market, where always, when we talk about safety and efficacy of the drug, that means how efficacious that drug is. So that means in all the 4 phases, these trials have not been conducted satisfactorily, so which raises a question on these pharma companies.